What's up everyone? Welcome back to Car Trend, the place where we explore the most exciting rides, the boldest innovations, and the vehicles that redefine what it means to drive. Today we're diving deep into the all-new Ford F250 Highboy 2026, a truck that has revived a legendary nameplate and combined it with modern technology and engineering excellence. This isn't just a pickup, it's Ford's ultimate statement in the heavy-duty world, balancing brute strength with smart innovation to create something truly extraordinary. The F250 Highboy 2026 is a tribute to its heritage while pushing boundaries like never before. The exterior design screams power from every angle, with a tall stance that pays homage to the original Highboy trucks of the 1970s. The bold front grille, flanked by cutting-edge LED headlights, gives it a menacing yet sophisticated look. The high ground clearance, chunky off-road tires, and muscular body lines remind you instantly that this is a truck made to dominate in every environment. Ford has kept the rugged DNA intact but wrapped it in a modern package that's both stylish and functional. Under the hood, the new Highboy delivers serious performance. Buyers can choose between a high-output V8 and a hybrid-assisted powertrain, both tuned to deliver massive torque for towing, hauling, and tackling the most demanding terrains. The updated suspension system not only enhances durability but also provides comfort, making it just as easy to cruise down the highway as it is to crawl over rocky trails. Ford's terrain management system, locking differentials, and heavy-duty axles make this Highboy a true off-road warrior, staying true to its legacy while embracing 21st-century advancements. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that balances toughness with luxury. The interior is designed to be a comfortable command center, featuring a massive digital display, Ford's latest sync infotainment system, wireless connectivity, and premium finishes. Whether you're working on the job site or going on a cross-country adventure, the Highboy ensures you ride in style and comfort. Heated and ventilated seats, a premium sound system, and advanced driver assistance technologies like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and 360-degree cameras make it one of the smartest trucks in its class. What makes the Ford F250 Highboy 2026 truly special is how it bridges the gap between history and the future. The Highboy badge carries a lot of weight in truck culture, symbolizing ruggedness and reliability, and Ford has honored that legacy while pushing forward with innovations like hybrid technology, smarter towing systems, and cutting-edge safety features. It's a perfect mix of old-school toughness and new-school brilliance, designed for people who demand the best from their truck in every aspect. At Car Trend, we believe the Ford F250 Highboy 2026 is not just a truck, it's a lifestyle statement for those who want to work hard, play harder, and do it all in style. Stick around for more deep dives into the cars and trucks shaping the future, and don't forget to hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe for more from Car Trend.